How to turn off Facebook suggested ads. Before we start the video, make sure that you have your Facebook application updated. To update, simply click on the App Store and search Facebook. If it shows you the option of update, it means that you do not have the latest version of Facebook. Once you've updated, you can now open your Facebook application on your device and select the profile menu at the bottom right corner. Then click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now tap the See More in Account Center. Scroll down and tap on Ad Preferences. Here select Manage Info. Now tap on the Activity Information from Ad Partners. Tap Review Setting. Now make sure you tap on the No, Don't Make My Ads More Relevant and simply hit the Confirm. Going back to Ad Preferences, now select the categories. As shown on the screen, you are required to individually select all of these categories and pick No for the option. Go back to Ad Preferences and scroll down until you see ads shown outside of Meta. Then simply click on Not Allowed. And that's it. This is how you can turn off the Facebook suggested ads. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.